Hi, this is Lynn White from Tech Gone Glam, and in this WordPress video, I'm going to show you how it is that you can update your WordPress version. So at the time of this video, you can see that WordPress 3.8 is available. Anytime there is a newer WordPress version, this is how you're going to know. You're going to have a pale yellow a bar up at the top of your site telling you what version is available and to please update now. Now there are a few things that I want to say to you about updating your WordPress version. Make sure that you back up your site first before you do any updates. And that applies to your WordPress version, your theme, as well as any plugins. Always, always, always make sure that you back up your site first, because things can happen. Now I can say in the 6 years I've been using WordPress that only once have I had an issue when I went to update my WordPress version. And of course I had backed up my website. So because of the plugin that I used to back up my site, Backup Buddy, I was just able, with a couple of clicks, I was able to restore my site. So like I said, it doesn't happen often, but it can happen, and it's better to err on the side of caution. So once again, make sure that you always back up your site before you do any types of updates. Okay, so that is my spiel about making sure that you back up your site. So what we're going to do is we're going to just click here. I'm going to click on Please Update Now. And it's going to take me to this screen showing me what needs to be updated. And anytime anything needs to be updated, you'll know in a few different places. As you can see here on the left hand side under Dashboard, it says that there are 3 items that need to be updated. 2 of which are plugins, because here, as you can see, next to plugins I have a number 2. So that means that needs to be updated. So there'll be a list of what needs to be updated, if anything at all. So here up at the top, an updated version of WordPress is available, and the blue Update Now is where you would update it. Next we have plugins. The following plugins have new versions available. Check the ones you want to update and then click Update Plugins. And you can update these individually, but it's much easier if you just select all and update all of them at one time. Alright, and the theme that we are using, which on my test site is just the theme that comes with the WordPress installation, so there's nothing to update. So I'm going to scroll back up a little bit, and you can even see here at the top in this yellow bar, it even says, please back up your database and files. So that's how important it is. Alright, so I'm going to click on the blue button, Update Now. And while that's doing that, with any version of WordPress, some of them are just security updates, some of them are major updates. Since this is WordPress 3.8, this is a major update. And some of the features that I have seen is the responsiveness, which is really, really good. I'm very, very excited about that. And as we can see, it has updated, and the dashboard is different. Dashboard looks completely different now as opposed to the way that it just did. And it even tells you, it gives you what's new in 3.8. So we've got a new modern design, which as you can see, it looks completely different. We've got cleaner typography. We've got a refined contrast. WordPress on every device. So like I said, it's now responsive. High definition at any speed. You can choose the colors that you would like. So right now I'm at the default, but if I want to change the color of my dashboard, which I think I want to do, I like this ectoplasm. As you can see now, it's a pretty little purple, which of course I'll keep that one because it matches my brand. And then some other things that are different. So there's 2014, which is the magazine theme that is downloaded and comes with your WordPress installs now going forward. Alright, so I have updated my version of WordPress. I now have the latest and newest version. One other thing that I want to add is to know that what's going to happen once there's a WordPress version, you will also start to see more of your plugins needing updates, and that's just simply so that the plugins are compatible with with the newer WordPress version. The plugin developers, those that create the plugins, will start doing what they need to do with their plugins to make them compatible with the latest version, and so that's why you need to update those as well as they come about. All right, so that is how you update your website to the latest version of WordPress. Thanks so much for watching this video. This is Lynn White from Tech Gone Glam, www.techgoneglam.com. See you next time.